Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need the app and a logged-in account. Open Facebook now and go straight to Settings. Tap Menu, choose Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and find Media and Contacts or Data Saver. Turn Data Saver on immediately. This reduces image and video quality, which saves cellular bytes. Once done, make sure Low Data Mode in your phone settings is active. It reinforces app limits. This first step gives instant savings and prepares you for deeper controls in the next phase. Now you adjust the settings that actually cut consumption. First, set video autoplay to Wi-Fi only or never on cellular. This prevents large streaming bursts. Next, choose lower photo quality or disable HD uploads. Smaller images are faster and cheaper. Also restrict background data for Facebook so syncs and preloads run only on Wi-Fi. Once these are configured, monitor 1 or 2 sessions to confirm reduced usage. Make sure to combine these with app-level low data mode. Finish by verifying that changes took effect. Check your phone's data usage or Facebook's metrics over 1 week. Clear the app cache occasionally to remove preloaded images and videos, which reinforces savings and frees storage. If you run into problems, like missing content or persistent high usage, restart Facebook, reapply data saver toggles, and, if necessary, reinstall the app to reset corrupted settings. Make sure to test after fixes so you confirm the data drop. This closes the loop and keeps your plan efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.